taking a look at our seat front and rear rail drawing. Our tenons are 1 inch in length. These are mitered tenons, but we are not going to worry about the miter at this point in time. Looking at the backrest upper rail, we also have a 1 inch tenon, as well as on the backrest lower rail, we have a 1 inch tenon. The distance around the tenon is 1/8 of an inch, or the shoulder cut is 1/8 of an inch. Our objective is to lay this out on our workpieces. So essentially, we are creating identical tenons for all 4 of these pieces, with the exception of the miter, which we're going to do at a later stage. So we're going to lay this out on one end of one piece. We're going to base our saw setup based off of this one end so that all of them will be identical. On the ends, we are going in 1/8 of an inch. On the face and edges, we are going in 1 inch. With our tenon laid out, we're looking pretty good.